We're nothing but meat.
Alright guys, so it's drift event day. My car's ready, Brian's is ready I think. Pools are loaded up, and we're ready to go. Alright, we're all loaded up. Justin just got here, it's filled up. And we're gonna head to Thompson now. Justin's changing his rear tires. Brian's mounting some tires. And are you going to drift right now?
Oh.
B class is up, but Justin's struggling over here. So is Brian, so we'll get some clips for you.
I'm so stoked, dude. The car rips. I can't believe how easy the Z is. Besides the stock LSD kind of like opening, it's like, it's awesome. What happened?
My knuckle snapped first run, did a good run, then it snapped last turn.
Oh my god! What the fuck? So that wheel's like that, and this wheel's straight.
Brake line.
Right the fuck off. My car's been pretty solid. Haven't had any issues so far. Manifold is actually mint now. Got the whole thing heat wrapped, and that heat shield's getting a little hot, but my filter isn't melting. That was from last event, but underneath is good. This filter didn't cook off this time, so I'd say that we are doing pretty good. What are you doing?
Ripping all his junk ass relays out. Ready? They're all fried. My fuel pump and fins weren't working, so just wiring them straight to the switches for now.
Yo, we know, just sitting here with the fucking zebra on the top.
My boy Alex got into a little bit of a fender bender. Run us through what happened here.
I'm in C group and I suck at drifting, and so I came around the corner and Jake was kind of behind me. I spun out. There he was. I ate his door.
Jake's whole side of his car is pretty much wrecked. He thinks that he bent the actual subframe on it, but Alex's car is pretty solid. The actual frame rails are still straight, but up in here is a little bent, but that's not really a big deal.
It's really not that bad. It's just like the hood, the fenders, that's it. The headlights are fucked.
Yeah, headlights, dash bar like snapped off on the welds, and the hood is pretty much crushed, but
the dash bar saved my life. Not my life, but saved the car's life.
it was leaking coolant, so we threw that little bin down there. So he's gonna try to fix it and maybe drive it home.
Maybe. Yeah, we'll see.
Knuckles are all back. Ran out and got them welded. The welds that were on them didn't really penetrate, so should be good for the next run, like 10 minutes.
She's solid. Wheels are actually in the same direction now. Alright guys, so it's pretty much the end of the day. It's like 4:30, I think. The drift event ends at 5. And I was out there. We were running tandems with Brian and then these 2 guys from New York that I was driving with last time. And I could feel that my car like was not making the power it was in the beginning of the day. I was clutch kicking it, and then on like the fast sections I couldn't even drift it. I had to straighten out. And I've been having like wicked issues with the manifold cracking. So I started my car and listened to it, and you can like clearly hear that manifold like tick that's cracked. And we were looking at it and realized that you can't really see it. Down in there, you can kind of see it. There's 2 bolts. Yeah, you can definitely see that. The 2 bolts that hold that side of turbo are completely loose. So that is a huge manifold leak and why I'm barely hitting any boost at all. So I'm pretty much done for the day. And Brian's still out there shredding it. Little man is done. His car, one of the seals in his transmission was leaking and it was dripping onto the clutch. So his clutch was slipping pretty bad. So he was ripping though. And towards the end of the day, his car just wasn't making enough power. Same with mine. So me and him are done. Brian's gonna go out for a few more laps. But definitely a good day besides that.
Okay, so we're all back. Everyone's car made it alive. Kinda. Almost.
Get over here!
Well, Brian's knuckle snapped, Justin's turbo's loose, and my tranny's leaking, so.
And I tapped my quarter.
And he smacked the quarter, but
we all drove home.
We got it on video.
Brian's ass is loose too.
Yeah, it's very loose.
Don't forget Alex.
And I picked up a body kit. We got like a gentleman's body kit. Picked it up for cheap.
Did you mention Jake's door and Alex?
Jake and Alex slammed into each other.
Yes.
That's a Yes! That's the